Woody Harrelson's journey to fame. From Cheers to Hollywood icon, Woody Harrelson has been a star in the acting world for more than 30 years. He's really good at acting and has won a Primetime Emmy and also a multiple Oscar and Golden Globe nominee. These are big deals in acting. Chapter 1. Growing Up and Going to School. Woody Harrelson was born on July 23, 1961, in a place called Midland, Texas, in the United States. His full name is Woodrow Tracy Harrelson. His mom, Diane, looked after him and his two brothers. Their dad, Charles, got into big trouble. He was sent to prison forever in 1979 because he was involved in the murder of a judge named John Wood, Jr. Even though Woody knows his dad did bad things, he still likes to think about the good times they had when he was little. Diane and her 3 sons moved to Ohio in 1973. Woody went to school there at Lebanon High School. When he turned 21, Woody got into trouble with the police. He was acting out and didn't listen to the police, but later they let him go after he paid some money. After that, Woody moved to Indiana. He studied theater and English at a college called Hanover College. While he was there, he joined a group called Sigma Chi Fraternity. He also met someone who would become very important, Mike Pence, who later became vice president. Woody graduated from college in 1983. Hey, amazing viewers! If you enjoy the content and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to me. Chapter 2. Woody Harrelson's start in acting. After finishing college, Woody Harrelson moved to New York City. He wanted to be an actor, but it was hard to find acting jobs. So, he decided to join a local theater group. After 14 months, he finally got a job. He was the backup actor in a play written by Neil Simon. In 1985, Woody got his big break. He was cast in a very famous TV show called Cheers. He played a bartender named Woody Boyd. He first appeared in season 4 and stayed until the show ended in 1992, in its 11th season. Cheers was a huge hit in the 1980s. It won 28 Primetime Emmy Awards out of 111 times it was nominated. 4 times, it was named the Best Comedy Series, 1983, 1984, 1989, and 1991. Woody himself won an Emmy for playing the simple but likable Woody Boyd. Woody's early movies. While working on Cheers, Woody started acting in movies. His first movie was a comedy about football called Wildcats in 1986. He acted with Goldie Hawn, Swoosie Kurtz, and Wesley Snipes. Woody and Wesley Snipes worked together again in 2 more movies. They were in White Men Can't Jump in 1992, a funny movie about basketball, and Money Train in 1995, a movie with action and comedy. White Men Can't Jump was loved by critics and is seen as one of the best sports movies ever. In 1993, Woody was in a big movie called Indecent Proposal. He acted with Robert Redford and Demi Moore. This romantic drama made over $265 million all over the world. Woody was getting noticed for his roles in both funny and serious movies. In the late 1990s and early 2000s, Woody kept getting important parts in movies. He was in Natural Born Killers in 1994, The People vs. Larry Flint in 1996, The Thin Red Line in 1998, Anger Management in 2003 and North Country in 2005. He was nominated for Oscars for playing the editor of Hustler magazine, Larry Flynt, in The People vs. Larry Flynt, and for playing Sergeant Keck in The Thin Red Line. The latter movie got 7 Oscar nominations, including for Best Picture and Best Director for Terrence Malick. Chapter 3: Woody Harrelson's Big Movies and Other Important Roles. In 2007, Woody Harrelson was in a big movie called No Country for Old Men. He acted with Josh Brolin, Tommy Lee Jones, and Javier Bardem. This action thriller was a big hit and won 4 Oscars, including Best Picture. Critics really liked the acting, especially Javier Bardem and Woody Harrelson. The Coen brothers, Joel and Ethan, directed the film. In 2009, Woody played Captain Tony Stone in The Messenger. Many people think this is one of his best roles. His character helps Army Staff Sergeant Will Montgomery, played by Ben Foster. Woody was nominated for many Best Actor awards for this role. That same year, he was in a surprise hit about zombies called Zombieland. He acted with Jesse Eisenberg and Emma Stone. The movie made a lot of money, and people really liked it. Woody then played Hamish Abernathy in the very popular The Hunger Games movies from 2012 to 2015. These movies also starred Jennifer Lawrence, Josh Hutcherson, Liam Hemsworth, Elizabeth Banks, and Donald Sutherland. They made a total of $2.9 billion worldwide. In 2017, Woody was in 3 Billboards Outside Ebbing, Missouri. He played Bill Willoughby and was nominated for an Oscar. He also acted in the Star Wars spin-off, Solo, A Star Wars Story, and War for the Planet of the Apes. Both of these movies made a lot of money. Next, Woody will be the main bad guy in Venom: Let There Be Carnage, which will come out in October 2021. He plays Cletus Cassidy and his alien form, Carnage. Tom Hardy will play Venom again. Besides Cheers, Woody has been great in TV shows like Game Change in 2012 and True Detective in 2014. He has been in over 100 movies and TV shows. Chapter 4: Woody Harrelson's Personal Life. Woody married Laura Louie in 2008. They have 3 daughters. He first met Laura when she was his personal assistant in 1987. Before that, he was married to Nancy Simon, who is playwright Neil Simon's daughter. Woody has been arrested a few times and used to drink a lot when he was younger. He has worked hard to change his life and says his wife and children helped him a lot. In summary, Woody Harrelson is a very successful actor in Hollywood. He can play any kind of role, from funny to serious. He has been nominated for Oscars and is known for being a great actor. To all our viewers, old and new, consider subscribing to stay in the loop. And if you liked what you saw, show us some love by hitting that like button. Your support means everything